In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tab groups in Google Chrome so you can keep your browser organized, reduce clutter, and make it much easier to switch between tasks. If you've ever had too many tabs open and struggled to find the one you need, tab groups are a simple and powerful fix. They're great for work projects, shopping research, travel planning, school notes, or anytime you want your tabs separated into clear categories. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you already have a few tabs open. Tab groups work best when you have multiple pages that belong together, because that makes it easier to organize them into sections. Now, go to any open tab at the top of your Chrome window and right-click on it. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Add Tab to New Group. Click that option, and Chrome will immediately create a new tab group for you. Once the group appears, you'll notice a small label next to it. This is where you can name the group so it's easy to recognize later. Click in the text box and type a label that matches what the tabs are for. For example, you could name it Work, Shopping, Travel, Research, or anything else that helps you stay organized. Naming your groups properly is a really useful habit because once you have several groups open, you'll be able to identify them instantly. Next, you can color code the group. Chrome lets you choose from different colored circles, and each color gives the group a distinct border outline. This is helpful because color makes it easier to scan your tabs visually at a glance. For example, you might use blue for work, green for personal, red for urgent tasks, and yellow for browsing or ideas. The exact color doesn't matter as much as being consistent, so pick a system that makes sense to you. Now that your first group is created, let's add more tabs to it. This part is just as easy. Right-click on another tab that you want to include in the same group, then hover over Add Tab to Group. You'll see your existing group name appear in the submenu. Click that group name, and Chrome will move the tab into the group automatically. You can repeat this process for as many tabs as you want. If you're organizing a project, this is where tab groups really start to save time. Instead of leaving everything scattered across the tab bar, you can keep related pages together in one place. That means one group for work documents, one group for shopping comparisons, one group for travel bookings, and so on. It makes your browser feel cleaner, faster, and much easier to manage. So now you know how to create tab groups in Google Chrome, name them, color code them, and add more tabs whenever you need to. It's a quick way to stay organized and work more efficiently, especially if you're someone who keeps lots of tabs open. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.